That tiny pop you hear in your ear isn't your imagination. It's actually science in action. When you swallow, yawn, or change altitude, the pressure inside your middle ear shifts. The Eustachian tube, a small canal connecting your middle ear to the back of your throat, opens to equalize that pressure, creating the pop. It's the same mechanism that helps you adjust to altitude changes in a plane or when driving uphill. But if your ears feel blocked and don't pop easily, it could mean your Eustachian tube is congested, often from a cold, sinus infection, or allergies. Pro tip, try swallowing, yawning, or gently blowing with your nose pinched, the Valsalva maneuver. If it persists or causes pain, it's worth getting checked. Because what feels like a pop could also signal fluid buildup or an ear infection.